Good morning, students. So this is the second part of your chapter number 16, clean surroundings. In this chapter we will discuss about disposal of waste, then how the procedures of disposal of waste, and next is your 3 R's. Okay, so come to the chapter disposal of waste. So the waste that we produce in our household, we just throw into the dustbin. So what happened after that? So the dustbin of house that is collected by the garbage collector of the local authority, then the garbage collector dumps in a big garbage bins of the locality, apart from the city. Then the truck of the local municipal authority that carries all the disposals, all the waste picked and disposed to another place. So what is the procedure of disposal of the things that the trucks of the local authority normally do? First thing is your open dumping. Open dumping, that is the waste is loaded in the truck and it is then taken by the trucks and dumps in a very open place and far away from the city and the local things. So here in the open dumping, this method is the waste disposal that pollutes the environment, because there is not any cover of their pollution, cover on the waste, so it pollute the our environment. Second thing is our landfills. Landfill, sometimes there is a deep ditches are dug in a ground and the waste that is dumped into them. When it is filled up, the ditches are covered with the soil. So this is a very good process of landfills and the disposal of the waste. Then is your burning. In the burning process, this is the best procedure. When the waste are collected, that is gathered into a place and then it is then burnt. So this is the best process. Then compost. Compost is the most essential and very good procedure of waste disposal. So in the compost in the villages, and some people dig the pits. Pits matlab gadha. Then dig the pit and what they do? They gather all the wastes and their vegetable peels, their garbages into that pit and cover it, and after some time it turn to the manure. Then the manure is used by the villagers and the farmers into their lands. So it is a natural manure, and this procedure of waste disposal is called your composting. It is the main question that will come in your annual examination also. It is a very good method of disposing the things. So after disposing things, it is the procedures. Then come to the most important question of this chapter, that is 3 R's. 3 R's means reduce, reuse and recycle. There is a logo of this 3 R's. I will give you, and you have to make in your copy. So first thing is your reduce. What is the meaning of reduce? Whatever wastage that is produced in our household, we have to reduce all this waste. Like we have to use the cloth bags instead of the polythene bags. We have to make some proper arrangements of the paper things and fruit peels or maybe the tea wastage. So we can put into our garden so that we can get the manure. So this is the reduce of the waste. Second thing is your reuse. Reuse in the procedure, we can reuse the several things like our cardboards, like the tin cans what we are just getting in the oil carries or our cold drinks. So these things we can also use as our pencil box, and cardboards we can store the clothes and several things in our household. So we can reuse all these things, and so that we need not throw it out. So this thing like your plastic jars and the aluminum cans that can be made in the pencil holders, old bags that can turn into shopping bags or school carries, like your pencil stand chalk stand, duster stands, we can make it from this. Then is a recycle. Recycle, to treat and make new things out of useless things, is called a recycling. Paper can be recycled, like now the newspaper industries are not buying several papers, so they just recycle the old papers and magazines and the books they can use to make newspaper again. That the collector of this old newspapers are called your kawadiwala. So they collect the old things like newspapers, magazines, and this is recycled and also prepared again the newspapers. Several things like your metals, glasses, this is also crushed and are made different kinds of things. That is not necessary that one car is crushed and that should be done in a car. So we can also crush a car and can make it a bicycle also. So that is depend on the metal of that product. So these things are your 3 R's: reduce, reuse and recycle. So this chapter is completed. So this much for today, and have a nice day.